students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and safe at your homes. So, I welcome you to the English class. So, I hope you remember that yesterday we have started something about question tags. I have explained to you the meaning of question tags, what are question tags, so many examples were given to you and how you have to use a question tag. This all we have discussed in our yesterday's video, that is one day before, as yesterday was Janmashtami's holiday. So we have already finished. Only the two things you need to keep in mind, that what is a question tag? It is nothing but a group of words that come at the end of a sentence and it makes a question. And what are the two things that are included in a tag is first your helping verb and then your pronoun with a question mark at the end. So these two things you need to remember to make a question tag, and it is always like that. If you have a negative sentence, then it will be a positive question tag, and if it is a positive sentence, then a negative question tag. So only this much is required and it is very easy, and we use the contractions in the negative one, especially like we don't use do not, we will write don't, can't, shouldn't, this way. So let's come to the bookwork today. I hope the rules are clear to you. You have also gone through the rules that are given in your books. So let's come to page number 128. One exercise is there. Match the following. I will mention the page here, 128. So let's try to solve it out. And I will give the heading match the following. Beginning with the first one. So I'll just give you the answers first. You can simultaneously put 1, 2, 3, 4. You only have to number. Please don't make lines. And then you will get the series. I will be writing the series later on. Okay? So she has forgotten her name. What should be the question tag here? She has forgotten her name. It is hasn't she. Has helping verb plus it is positive, so we will make it negative. Not, but we will use contraction, so it becomes hasn't she plus your pronoun, that is subject, plus your question mark. So it comes to hasn't she. So it is number 1, that is F part. So you can write down number 1 in front of part F. The mice are scared. Now, are helping verb. Again a positive one, but we will make it negative. So aren't they? Dear children, we don't have to use nouns. I have already told you we need to use pronouns. So they is the pronoun for the noun mice. The mice. So it is aren't they plus your question mark. So I part is number 2. You haven't slept. So it will be have you. So B part is your third answer. So in front of B write 3. He is fishing for compliments. Now he is fishing for compliments. What should be the right answer? Isn't he? So J part is answer for number 4. So in front of J write 4. This is not justified. Is it? So we have to use pronoun. So it will be is it plus your question mark. H part is answer 5. It wasn't a boring day. So was it? G part is answer number 6. They haven't left the town. It is have they. So D part is answer number 7. You could take a train, couldn't you? A part is number 8. You like salads. So it is don't you, and E part is number 9. Last one, you locked the cupboard. So what is left out now? You locked the cupboard. Since we don't have any helping verb here, so what we will use? Do, does, did. And check the tense. It is locked, so it is past. So what we will use here? Did. So let's make it now. Didn't you. So what is? C part is your answer number 10. So what should be the correct series here? Let's see. It is 8, 3, 10, 7, 9, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. So this should be the correct series in your answers. So you can just tally it out, and with this we finish. Next you have exercise A on the same page. Choose the correct question tag for each of these sentences. Now simply you need to choose a question tag for each of the sentences from the two options that they have given you. So let's try it out. You did not sell your bicycle. Now it is -1. So we have to go with the opposite one. You did not. So it will be did you. So it will be put a tick on the option did you. Next one. So I will write here did you plus your question mark. Number 2. She wrote to the editor to complain about noise pollution. She wrote to the editor. Positive sentence, so make it negative. Didn't she? So it always goes the opposite. This you have to take care. Rest all is very easy. We heard a noise in the middle of the night. We heard a noise in the middle of the night. Positive one, so let's make it negative. Didn't we? So this way you will just complete it. Didn't we? Next one, you want to buy teacups and saucers. Again positive, make it negative. Don't you? I hope you are writing the answers along with me. Ananya is the best athlete of our school. Positive, make it negative. Isn't she? Isn't she? And you don't have to write not, you have to use the contractions in this way. Aren't. Okay. You will not look after the children. You will not look. So it is negative already, so just make it positive. Will you? It always goes the opposite. You always need to remember it. Okay. Mother makes excellent pudding. Positive, negative. Doesn't she? Next one. The fan was making a lot of noise. Now, positive. Wasn't it? Always a pronoun plus question mark at the end. You must have seen this film. Must have seen. Positive. Haven't you? Contractions you need to do. Next one. The girl is sitting in front of a table fan. Is sitting. Negative. Isn't she? Isn't she? So with this we finish this exercise. Next, coming to exercise number B. What you need to do is fill in the blanks with question tags. So simply you have to write the question tags in the sentences. So let's do one exercise. Fill in the blanks with question tags. You invited the neighbors to the party. You invited. So now we don't have any helping verb. What should we do? And see the tense. Invited, past, so we will use did because we don't have any helping verb. So positive sentence is there, so we need to change it into negative. So how will we do? Didn't you? What we will write? Didn't you? This way plus your question mark. Next one. The whipped cream isn't too sweet. Now, is helping verb. It is negative sentence. So make it positive now. Is it? Plus your question mark. Coming to the third one. We will not keep any pets. We will not. Positive. So it shall be. Shall be. Shall we. Because dear children, with we always use shall. When we will be doing tenses, so I will be telling you that with we always use shall. So we will write here shall be. Okay. The bed is littered with papers. Now positive, so make it negative. Isn't it? Isn't it? Question mark. Next one. They agreed to bury their differences. Positive, make it negative. Now no helping verb, so use did. As agreed is in past form. So didn't they? Didn't they? Isn't it very easy? Simply you have to be little bit careful and read the sentence very carefully. Okay. Nikhil went scuba diving. Now, went positive, no helping verb, make it negative. Didn't he? This way. Number 7. Sahil drove the car carefully. Now, again drove past, no helping verb, use did, make it negative. Didn't he? For Sahil, we will use the pronoun he plus your question mark. We all know for boys we use he and for girls we use she pronoun. Okay. She raises her voice against injustice. Now, positive. So, raises. Now, it is in present tense. ठीक है, तो प्रेजेंट के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे हम? डू और डज. विथ प्लूरल्स वी यूज डू, with singulars we use does. So she is singular, so we will use does. So what we will do? Does she? But then it is positive, so don't she? Don't she? We have to make it opposite. Okay. The wedding is not in December. Now negative sentence is there and the helping verb is there, so we will make it positive. For wedding we will use it. So is it? Positive question tag. Last one, she is wearing her mother's dress. Positive with the helping verb, so we will make it negative. Isn't she? Okay. I hope you have done. I hope you have understood. So this way we need to complete the question tags. Next exercise, that is exercise number C now. What we need to do, change these statements to questions using the correct tags, and this is the last exercise, and with this we finish our question tags. So what is this? Simply you need to add a question tag. If positive is there, insert negative. If negative, then positive. The same way we have done exercise B. So I am not going to give you the answers. Yes, you have understood it. So this is your homework to be done by you, and after this we will be meeting on Monday in your live classes. So again we will play a game. I will see who answers me first. First of all, who will give me the answer will be the winner. So I'll just check the answers and I'll be discussing all this then on the board also, so you can tell your answers, but then do complete your homework. And with this one more exercises left from transformation of sentences, the last one, the different sentences that you have to frame. So that was again your homework of the last week. I hope you have done. So together we'll take both the exercises and it will be in a test form, okay, for you. So we'll see who gives me the answer first. We'll play Kaun Banega Crorepati, fastest fingers first. Okay. So that's all for today. Do complete your homework, and whatever work is pending, please do complete, because very soon we'll be just asking for your books and notebooks again for correction. So all the things should be properly and neatly completed in your books and copies. And in the month of September, in the mid-September, maybe from 15, you might be having your first term. So be ready. Syllabus and date sheet will be floated soon in your WhatsApp group. So that's all for today. Stay safe, stay home.